Hey guys, I feel very... Alright, it's your girl Melanie here, and today we have another painting video.
Not a surprise.
I know what you're probably thinking.
Melanie, you do way too many of these.
But the truth is, like, I'm gonna be painting these either way, and I think it's very fun. Like, I enjoy painting them, and a lot of you guys like these videos a lot, so I figured I would just keep them coming, you know? So, like, every time I paint a hydro, I'm just gonna, like, film it, but I have decided to make them just, like, a little shorter, and it's kind of just like a painting montage, you know, just like a little TikTok or something like that, rather than a whole 10-minute like tutorial kind of thing. Don't worry guys, I didn't get more hydros. I'm still at a reasonable number, kind of. I'm painting these hydros for my friends, so yeah, today I'm painting my friend this hydro. Yeah, I really like how it turned out. I have it right here. It's kind of like the twin, not twin, like the sister, brother, cousin, I don't know, of my hydro. So we're gonna be matching, because like instead of sunflowers, I did daisies, and then instead of orange, they're like cool tone butterflies, you know. This one looks shiny because I haven't used the sealant like spray yet to seal in the paint. But yeah, they're kind of like little siblings. Like, isn't that kind of adorable? It's like day and night, peanut butter and jelly. That didn't make sense. But yeah, this is the water bottle, and I really like how it turned out. So we're just gonna hop right in with this quick little painting montage, and I hope that you guys enjoy. so that was the video, and that was my little montage on how I painted this guy. It did take not as long as the first time I painted like the butterflies and stuff, just because like now I know how to paint butterflies. So I actually did this one pretty quick. I did it all in one sitting. I really like how it turned out, and yeah, let me know if you guys like this one and if I should do more, like a third, you know, like a triplet, another flower and another color butterfly, you know. Honestly, I feel like that'd be kind of adorable. Let me know if you guys like these painting videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out. Bye guys.